Hello students. Hello students. Good morning. Today we are going to start chapter 6, Lines and Angles, model number 1. First, I would like to discuss basic terms and definitions. First, what is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays originating from the same end point. Look at my two fingers. This is two rays originating from the same end point. So this forms an angle. And this end point is called vertex. And these two rays are called arms of the angles. So an angle is formed when two rays originate from same end point, from the same end points. See, here are two rays originating from the same end point. This is end point and this is formed in anti-clockwise direction. The space between these two rays are called an angle. And these rays are called arms. And this end point is called vertex. So an angle is formed when two rays originate from the same end points. And this end point is called vertex. And these two rays are called two arms of the angle. Now types of angles. Point number 2. Point number 2, types of angles. You are familiar with different types of angles like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, etc. So what is an acute angle? When the measurement of angle is between 0 degree and 90 degree. That is, angle must be greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Acute angle. Zero degree is less than x. This angle is say x, less than 90 degree. So an angle whose measurement is greater than 0 degree, this can be written as x is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So this is called an acute angle. Now right angle. When the measurement of an angle is equal to 90 degree, then angle is called right angle. Here y is equal to 90 degree. So this is an example of right angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, when the measurement is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, means the angle lying between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Such type of angle, say Z. So 90 degree is less than Z, is less than 180 degrees. When the measurement of an angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Then fourth, a straight angle. When the measurement of an angle is equal to say S, when measurement of an angle is equal to 180 degree, so this is called a straight angle. Now fifth, reflex angle. Point number fifth, reflex angle. When an angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Say this angle. This angle is an acute angle. So if we subtract this angle from 360 degree, then this is a reflex angle. Say angle T. So when angle is greater than 180 degree, 180 degree is less than T, or T is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Such type of angles are called reflex angle. Now complementary angle. Point number 6. Complementary angle. When sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then each angle is called complementary to each other. When sum of two angles is 90 degree, then each angle is called complementary to each other. Suppose an angle is given 50 degree. What will be the complement of angle 50 degree? That is 90 minus 50, 40 degree. For example, 40 degree and 50 degree are complementary to each other. If we add these two angles, their sum will be equal to 90 degree. So each angle are called complementary to each other. Supplementary angle. Point number 7. Supplementary. Supplementary. What is supplementary angle? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. When sum of two angles is in place of 90, you write 180 degree. Then each angle is called supplementary to each other. Supplementary. To each other. That is 140 degree and 40 degree. Are supplementary to each other. So when sum of two angles is 180 degree, is equal to 180 degree, then each angle is called supplementary angle. For example, one sum of 140 and 40, that is 180. So supplementary of 140 degree is 40 degree. And what is the supplementary of 40 degree? It is 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree. Now adjacent angle. Point number 8. adjacent angle. When two angles are in opposite direction of a common arm, then such type of angles are called adjacent angles. So this is a ray, this is another ray, say A, O, B, C. There are total 3 angles. How many angles in this figure? 3 angles. Angle AOB, angle BOC, and the greatest angle AOC. So there are 3 angles. This is common arm of these 2 angles. OB is the common arm. So these 2 angles, angle AOB and angle BOC, are on opposite sides of this common arm. So these 2 angles are called adjacent angles. They do not overlap each other. So when 2 angles lie on opposite side of a common arm, then these angles are called adjacent angles. Angle AOB and angle BOC are 2 adjacent angles. Means 2 angles do not overlap each other. So you tell me, are angle AOC and BOC are adjacent angles? No. Since both angles do not lie on opposite side of this common arm, both angles are overlapping each other. So what are adjacent angles? This angle and this angle are called adjacent angles. If OA becomes a straight line, then sum of these 2 angles will be 180 degree, and this is called linear pair of angle. So linear pair of angles. Point number 9. linear pair of angles. When the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, when sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree, then it is called linear pair of angles. Then it is called linear pair of angles. This is a straight line, say OA and OB. This is OC. So both these two angles, AOC and BOC or COB, both lies on opposite side of common arm OC. Then these two angles are adjacent angle, and sum of these two angles make a straight line. So straight angle is 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. This is linear, LINEAR. LINEAR, linear pair. Now let us vertically opposite angles. Last point number 10. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So when two rays are intersecting, two lines are intersecting each other at a point, say at point O. When two lines intersecting at a point, this common point is called point of intersection. At point O, there are four angles. Say angle number 1, angle number 2. This is angle number 3, this is angle number 4. So the vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And angle 3 is equal to angle 4. In short, we will write BOA means vertically opposite angles. Now exercise 6.1. Exercise from your textbook. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. First question. So AB and CD intersect at O. So draw a diagram AB. And CD. Figure 6.13. These two rays are these two lines are intersecting lines. If angle AOC, this point is O and OE is another ray. Angle AOC plus BOE, this is AOC, a BOE. Sum of these two angles is given 70 degree. And angle BOD, this is 40 degree. Find angle BOE. Find this angle reflects COE, means this angle. So AB and CD are intersecting lines. So this angle will be equal to angle AOC, that is vertically opposite angle. So right angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Reason vertically opposite angle VOA. Now angle AOC plus angle COE or EOC. So COE plus angle BOE will be equal to 180 degree. Since AB is a straight line, AB is a straight line. So a straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Now sum of these two angles is already given. So this is 70 degree, 70 degree. 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Given. So in place of angle AOC plus angle BOC, we have written 70 degree. It is given in the question. This implies that angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. Transferring 70 from LHS to RHS. That is angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. So 110. So this angle is 110 degree. Now second COE. Find BOE. Sorry, we have to find a reflex COE. So reflex COE. Reflex COE is equal to. This is a reflex angle. From here to here, that is, angle should be greater than 180 degree. So 360 minus 110. This will be the reflex of COE. That is 0, 5, 250 degree. Now what is BOE? Now BOE. We have to find this angle BOE. So sum of these two angles, this and this, will be equal to 180 degree. So COD is a straight line. COD is a straight line. So angle COE plus angle BOE plus 40 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Now COE 110 plus angle BOE plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now add 110 plus 40, 150 degree. Angle BOE plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle BOE is equal to transferring 150 degree from LHS to RHS. There will be change in sign. So 180 degree minus 150 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. So angle BOE is 30 degree. Now second question, homework, do yourself. Third question, Figure 6.15. This is a straight line. ST and PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. Figure 6.15. Angle PQR is equal to PRQ. This angle is equal to this angle. Given. So what is given? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Given. What is required to prove? RTP. Required to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRP. This we have to prove. Now proof. No need of construction. The sum of these two angles will equal to 180 degree. Since it is a straight line, so sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. ST is a straight line. So angle PQR is equal to angle PQS. Plus is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. Similarly, angle PRQ plus this angle PRT is equal to 180 degree. Say equation number 2. From 1 and 2, right hand side of both equations are equal. So left hand side will also be equal. From equation 1 and 2, angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. When two sides of two equations are equal, then LHS will also be equal. Now PQR, PRQ, these two angles are given equal. PQR is equal to PRQ. So cancelling both sides, we have angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence proved. Now question number 3 you do yourself. Question number 4 you do in your homework. Question number 4. We have third question, fourth homework, question number 5. Fourth homework. Question number 5. So now it's time. Question number 5. We will solve on Monday. So have a nice day.